Yo, big Kaizen Skrrrt, man. I got the DJI in the helmet. Hopefully it's not too loud because I keep seeing it red line. But yeah, hopefully my breathing in too. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. If y'all could tell me, let me know. But as y'all can see, I'm walking my bike because I need to replace my stator and rectifier. I gave it a tune-up, spark plugs, ignition coils, oil change. I did the whole 9. And I still am dealing with shit from this bike. Got it off Marketplace from a Spanish dude that really couldn't even understand what I was saying. And it was kind of bothering me because it was taking and doing some Yamaha shit that I now know is Yamaha shit. But at this point of it being in need of a stator or rectifier, that might really be what the fuck was wrong. So, yeah, he got me, but ain't nothing to it. I like working on bikes, so I want to fix it. So I gotta fix that next. But for right now, I gotta keep jumping my bike. I keep looking back to make sure nobody coming. Well, let me push this back so I can get another running start, because I gotta go that way. And I need to find me some food, so we're gonna take this nice new Osmo 360 I got through Atlanta City. And I'm glad I'm only inside of my goddamn parking deck, because I don't need y'all knowing where the fuck I live. Yeah, man, I gotta learn how to talk on here too, yo. And do this little camera one too. And say I got 3 hours of footage. We got 4 or 5 minutes. I could have swore Shorty over there could have walked, but she didn't walk. Did she like my bike? But no, she's walking. Never mind. Yeah, man, I still gotta get a few more other things. I was gonna get me a Action Pro 6, but I felt like for right now the content that I was gonna put out was gonna be more 360 stuff right now, due to the fact that I just got this shit. Where the fuck am I going? I'm going the wrong way, y'all. Damn, man. Sometimes I wonder if I could handle being homeless. Like, I don't know, I just like felt like it's an adventure. I would like wouldn't mind taking, but not want to take. Only reason why, because I feel like I'm very creative, so I say that to say, if I was a homeless person, bro, I might get an award. Like, the hardest house on the street, because I'm gonna make that bitch out of whatever recycled shit I can get. I ain't recycling in a damn cart full of bullshit. My shit gonna have that shit. I'm gonna have that hand. Everything you need when you buy the builder. Gonna live good. Gonna be tiny housed up on the block. They wanna take it down, they wanna destroy it. We're gonna go ahead and goddamn have that be reinforced to break down. Or if I got it, I'm gonna hit buddy. My bad, big dog. But yeah, and I also used to think like, bro, if I was a homeless person, bro, I would never be hungry, bro, because I grew up in the hood. The drive-thrus out here, they more secured and like more, what's the word? They more, you ain't gonna really get too much off, I don't think. And the open carry laws here is crazy. So I say that to say, if I was to be homeless, what the fuck is that knocking on my door? the fuck is that? Okay. I want to say, what the fuck? But basically what I'm trying to say is, if I was to be homeless, bro, I could never be hungry because I would be going straight to the drive-thru, bro. Straight to the drive-thru, gang. Like, no question. All you gotta do hold on. Big ass bus behind me. Oh no, they cannot drive in the hay. And that bitch was going straight. You'd have ran my ass over. But look, man, let me say this because I keep bullshitting. Look, I'm not gonna lie. If I was homeless, bro, I'm gonna eat good. I'm not digging through no trash, gang. I'm going through them drive-thrus. Now, I'm not gonna eat good like gourmet shit. I still gotta figure that one out. But, no, actually, I got something for that, but I'll get to that. But, bro, I'm going straight to the drive-thrus, bro. I'm getting all the snacks, the Snickers, the chips, the goddamn Fagos, the good drinks, and everything, man. And I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna have all the snacks. I'm going straight through that bitch. Grab what you can, quick as you can. Get the fuck on. Yeah, I don't think they're going, I don't know. Let me know if homeless people be doing that. Somebody got a homeless cousin that be doing it or something. But, and hopefully the damn mic wasn't just sounding too crazy and I just changed the audio. Might put my visor down, but I wanted to see. So, I don't know. We're gonna find out. This is the first one. First take. Osmo 360. And I kinda know where I'm at now. We on Georgia Tech's campus. There be a lot of homeless people all around the city schools, man. But I wouldn't be no rude fault though, man. I had a nice crib. Had a good snacks. Oh yeah, the way I get gourmet food though, I'm not gonna lie, bro. If I'm gonna be homeless, bro, I'm definitely gonna have me a homeless shorty, bro. No question. You know why? Because we gotta survive together. And I need a shorty that can cook, as long as I can be handyman Dan and make her a way to be able to cook. So, you know, I'm gonna find a way to go ahead and recycle me one of them outdoor heaters, the camper heaters. We gonna get the little pot and the little ones. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Y'all seen it in the survival little videos, bro. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get that. And then from there, you know, any money I get or the change, that right there gonna be for the beef and the meat and shit like that. But we ain't gonna be able to get it every day, you know, cause they ain't got nowhere to store it. So we gonna have that money put up. You know, we ain't gonna be out here spending, getting high and shit. We definitely gonna get some weed though. But man, we gonna put the meat up, man. Get us some coolers, you know, for at least a day or two, so it can last a little day or two. But yeah, man, her cooking up some good hot meals every once or now. Had me good commissary on the side, good munchies, cause you know we gonna smoke good. And then we're gonna be living cool, but when it get cold out, that's where my real mechanically little creativity gonna come. I'm gonna get on some real what's his name, the dude West that be building in the damn cabins and shit. It's gonna get real like that, or the black dude that's starting to do it now. I forgot his name, but damn, I gotta start talking more, yo. Man, it's be dry as hell. I be thinking a lot. I be having a lot going through my mind. We getting stressed the fuck out. Where the fuck is we getting food from? And y'all, please let this Yamaha start, man. Please. It hasn't started all day. Like, I know I ain't put you on the battery tender, which I should have done, but I ain't feel like it. That's what I gotta do, y'all. So, let me find out what goddamn food place we going to real quick. Cause I'm hungry as fuck. I wish they had a fucking Swenson's here, bro. If we had a Swenson's in Atlanta, bro, I promise I'll be there all the time. What do they got here that's like that? Do they got a cookout? What should I go eat, man? I had Waffle House the other day. I don't want no Waffle House today. What should I go get, y'all? So, I don't makes the memory, makes it in battery. Oh, it's so hard to find something to eat in Atlanta. I don't know why. Maybe because what the fuck I like. Oh, I want Mr. Fryman. I want Mr. Fryman. Yeah, I want Mr. Fryman. Alright, let's do it. Y'all know the drill. This is how we gotta get her started. Little baby fucked up. No! Alright, attempt number 2. After I put her back in neutral. And it's wet outside. I'm gonna do this shit over here. Fuck this. Give me some cardio in. Fuck it, out. I ain't worked out in a minute. Why not? Why you not starting, baby? Yo, what's wrong? And this shit live too. We got a semi coming. What the fuck wrong with my bike, y'all? Yo. But this shit live, what the fuck? Hold the fuck on, man. I'm too damn high for this shit. No fucking way. Fuck. What should I do? How the hell this happened the first time I'm recording this shit? So, as y'all see it, this is the fuck I deal with this damn bike. And I'm tired of it. I'm about down there ready to get this channel going so I can pay for this type of stupid shit. Every time I do it though, my back breaks. I don't know why. It's like locking up. Like even in neutral. But that bitch not going. This is a sticky situation. Sticky situation, man. Boy, if I go down that shit, I'm gonna be mad as a bitch I can't get out. But this shit not working either though, gang. Yeah, we gonna have to try it out, man. Fuck it. Ain't nothing else to do. There we go. No. But I gotta clip this shit. Cause what the fuck? I'm not going there just to get fucking stuck. What the fuck, bro? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Is this my payback for not working out? Damn, this bitch heavy as fuck. Oh yeah, I ain't doing that again. I gotta take this bitch up this far before I ever do that shit. Oh, this is a hell of a blooper. Cause what the fuck is happening? Did I jinx myself? Oh, I'm on chops, baby. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I wanna get this helmet on for this bitch ass mic, but I'm about to take this shit off. This bike got me all the way fucked up, bro. Yeah, we taking this shit to fuck off. Fuck that, I got it. Yo, bro, what the fuck? This damn bike, bro. I just caught it. Standard rectifier, man. At its finest. Man, I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm gonna be one mad nigga if this crackhead ass bike don't make it back up this hill. I'm about ready to try this shit in the parking lot first. Cause fuck no. Ain't no way. This bitch about to go to the house and on the battery it's in there ASAP. Y'all, do y'all see this shit, man? I put in real work to get my bike back right, bro. Real work. And this dumbass shit just keep doing me like this. Like I cared for you. I took care of you. I fixed you, bitch. I kinda tripping. Bro, this damn shit just had me running. There's no way. Ain't no fucking way. But some of this shit gotta come on. Cause for one, it ain't raining no more. Two, I just got hot as fuck. But I still need some food. So we finna go find that. Cause after that, I just had to work out. Hell no. It'll be one hell of a blooper gang. It's fuck. See, I wouldn't spend my stator and rectifier money on you. Yeah, Osmo. So that I could put this out to the people that fuck with me. But Osmo, I love you though. Still love you. Cause this right here got me way more pissed. But at the same time, that nigga got off on me, bro. I had to tune this motherfucker up. I gotta do another oil change. I need my forks fixed. Yeah, boy. Well, I tell y'all I'm hot as fish grease. I forgot what I wanted to eat. It's the frying man. I hope it's the frying man by a hill. I can't even put my helmet back on, bro. We ain't riding with no helmet right now, man. See, I don't know what's going on, but it's like, what I do. Damn, the rain would have come shit is wicked. Lord, protect me on this dang on barrier. As soon as I took the raincoat off, ain't that something? As soon as I took the raincoat, it's another blooper right here. Another damn blooper. How you get caught in the rain? So I have just broken my chin mount, but it's like, bro, how is that even happening, bro? Cause I just had this rain shit on. I'm not gonna lie, this is good for the video though, cause I wanted to get a rain video, but yeah, hopefully they ain't turn nothing off. As I was saying about the homeless, this is definitely a hard time right here because I feel like living in these conditions cannot be. Damn, look at that shot, bro. Yo, Kaizen Skrrrt.